Convinced that mankind is not alone in space.
Unsere Milchstraße setzt sich aus ca. 200.
Our galaxy, the Milky Way, consists of about 200 billion stars approximately, because nobody has counted the stars yet. But we estimate that 60% of these 200 billion stars are surrounded by planets like our Sun, with her 9 planets in our solar system. In a vicinity of 16 light years, about 47 stars are in the same condition our Sun is right now. She's a G2 star. Her size is optimal. Her lifespan is about 12 billion years, similar to these 47 stars. The statistic probability is immensely high that there is life in other planetary systems. And not only that, because most stars in the Milky Way are much older than our Sun, we can assume that there are many older civilizations, civilizations which are also technologically far ahead of us.
Zivilisationen, die vielleicht auch technisch sehr fortgeschritten sind.
Is it possible that the inhabitants of these planets visit our Earth? How can they bridge the vast distances of space?
Ja, nachdem die meisten
They are doubly as old as our Sun, we can assume that there are many old civilizations in our galaxy, civilizations with an immense knowledge of physics and super technology. When we see what unbelievable technological progress we have made in just the last 50 years, we can only speculate about the possibilities of a civilization which is, let's say, 2 million years ahead of us. Even our scientists by collapsing stars when they disappear out of our space-time continuum. There, theoretically, you can move forward in space and backward in time, or into what is called zero time. Also, the relativity theory proves that time dilation is a matter of fact. If you move very fast through space-time, time nearly stops running. Physically and technologically, there may be some possibilities we might discover in the next decades or centuries to practice interstellar travel. I'm fully convinced that extraterrestrial civilizations already discovered these possibilities to travel to other worlds.
Dass außerirdische Zivilisationen diese Möglichkeiten nutzen, andere Welten aufzusuchen.
For conservative scientists, this may sound like science fiction, but in 1957, Lee DeForest, the inventor of the vacuum tube and father of modern electronics, stated that there will never be a man landing on the moon. Our knowledge about space is growing and changing our worldview irresistibly. Baron von Buttlar, what would these extraterrestrial visitors look like? Would they be humanoid?
Wir kennen natürlich die Bedingungen nicht, die woanders vorherrschen, aber auf der anderen Seite gibt es heute doch Modellvorstellungen, die überzeugend sind. So spricht man vom holographischen Universum.
Of course, we don't know the conditions on other planets, but on the other hand, we have convincing scientific models about the development and evolution of life. One of them is the holographic model of a universe, a model confirmed by subatomic physics. The theory of a holoverse, or holographic universe, says that even the smallest units contain the whole information of the cosmos. On the other hand, we have the theory of Rupert Sheldrake, which is complementary to the holographic model. The theory that there are whole fields of information. These networks of information store the design and experience of these forms and transfer them in the so-called morphic resonance. This would mean that there are other humanoid civilizations, because if once a form developed, it will develop everywhere because of the morphic resonance. In other words, if a form of mankind develops on one planetary system, the morphogenetic field would cultivate the development of another mankind on another world. Indeed, we have so many old traditions convincing us, if we investigate them carefully, that man was created because another humanoid race came to Earth and interfered in our evolution. Maybe we have to look for our ancestors not on Earth, but on another world.
Außerirdische Art zur Erde kam, eine humanoide Art, die hier eingegriffen hat, sodass wir vielleicht unsere Vorfahren nicht auf der Erde zu suchen haben.